Hi, I'm Amanda.
And I'm Dean.
And we're Scatabout.
And where are we skating about today, Amanda?
We are in Indonesia at an island called Belitung Island.
Where is Belitung?
It is halfway between not halfway between.
Well, no, it is, I think, halfway between Singapore and Jakarta.
Yeah. So it's sort of like in the middle there, but part of Indonesia.
Yeah, and so this is our first stop in the itinerary on Belitung,
Yes.
which is old mining site, or actually current mining site, I think.
Yeah. And I've booked a day trip, so a private driver to take us around to a few different points of the island so that we can have a look. And tomorrow we've got an island hopping tour on a boat.
And so nice blue water.
Yes,
behind
beautiful
us.
blue water. Can't go swimming,
Yep.
of course, but yes, nice sight.
The blue colour of the lakes are pretty and it's worth a stop if you're in the area, but while we were there, part of the lake was being filled in. To get around the island, we used a company called Street Taxi who did a customised tour for us. We had a private driver for 12 hours to take us to the north, the east and the south of the island. Costs are from 800,000 IDR for the vehicle and the driver to cover all three areas. If you focus on one part of the island, the costs are, however, much cheaper.
So Dean, we're at our second stop on our road trip for today, and where are we?
We are in Tanjung Tinggi beach. I'm sure Amanda will put the actual correct spelling for it, but very nice beach on Belitung Island.
Yes, very nice rock formations in the background, beautiful greeny blue water, nice and clear, beautiful day for swimming. Yeah, really nice, and apparently it's famous, some Indonesian movie was shot here.
Have you found out what the food's like here? Because there's heaps of restaurants along the waterfront, but they're all these sort of beach shacky stuff.
Yeah.
So are you aware of the restaurant
I
quality?
don't know, but I'm sure we'll check it out.
Are we going to have lunch
after
here?
our swim. Yes. We
All
will.
right, we'll try it and we'll see.
Yep.
And then we'll recommend something.
Yes. Food are we enjoying here, Dean?
Nasi goreng. Nasi goreng.
And what is that?
Fried rice.
So what's on the plate? Just some rice, a prawn cracker and egg?
Yep, it's really good.
And then what's this thing that we have in front of us?
Fried banana. What is it? Something telur.
That's pretty yummy too.
No, it's always eggs. Something else. There's something.
I'm gonna go because flies are getting all over my food.
We're at a place called Open Pit, which used to be a tin mine. It's a 500 metre walk from the car park and you're past some of the barricades, but just stick to the walking trail and you'll be fine. Also, you can't swim in the water here.
Very good to see sunset.
Yeah, no, up there would have been really good. Oh well.
Half an hour earlier.
Stuffed it up. Stuffed up the timing.
So Amanda, where you got us walking?
I have us walking up to a natural infinity pool, but our timing, as usual, was off and we're now in pitch black. So even if we get up there, I don't think we're going to see much. So we're doing a bit of a night hike at the moment. Dean's happy. Look at all this meat. Hey Dean. What have we got? Ribs. A satay chicken. There's our boat for today.
We also used the company Street Taxi for the island hopping tour. They arranged the transfers to and from the boat, a private boat, a guide, snorkeling gear and lunch. Costs are from 1,180,000 IDR for 2 people. While it's cheaper to share a boat, we loved our flexible schedule.
Hey Dean, where are we today?
Hey, we are at Sailing Rock Island.
Which is near Belitung Island.
Yep.
And we are on our island hopping tour today. This is our first stop.
Yep, they've got some good drone shots, which we'll hopefully be able
really
to show.
good drone shots.
Really crystal clear water. It's a tiny island, just with rocks. But looking forward to the rest of the day.
we are at Lengkuas Island, if that's how you say it.
I believe that's correct.
Yes, and there's a nice big lighthouse here, more rocks to pose on, beautiful clear greeny blue water, really nice place to take some more drone footage. So we're just checking this out as our second stop today.
Really good stuff about this tour of the islands is not many people. There's actually not many tourists. I think a few people do private boats, and there's probably about 8 boats, but it's usually about 2 to 3 people per boat. So not crowded and very relaxing, very quiet. I think Amanda's probably the most noisiest thing on the island. See you on the next one. Bye.
Our third stop on our island hopping tour, and we're supposed to be snorkeling. I did a little bit of snorkeling, but my mask kept fogging up. There's a few fish and some coral down there.
And squid.
Yeah, Dean saw a squid. But I've decided now that I'm just going to relax and use my life jacket as a bit of a flotation device. So I'm just quite happy lying out here.
Where's your cocktail?
I know, I really want a cocktail and a floating cheese board. It would be very good.
Oh, maybe that could be a tip for everyone who comes out on these boats.
Dean's favourite part of the day, which is our fourth stop now, lunch.
As you can see, it's a nice seafood spread. I think squid, or calamari, crab, sea snails, and some greens that Amanda's going to eat, and rice.
Yep, so Dean's
Welcome.
Looking forward to this. And this is the beautiful view that we get to enjoy while eating our food. Had another delivery of fish. Yummy fish.
So look everyone, Amanda is about to eat a sea snail.
And Dean for some reason thinks it's hilarious.
Just gotta get it out of the shell first. Stuck in there pretty tight. Oh, there you go. Oh. Are you going to be proud, Linda?
No, she's going to be grossed out. Look at that. There's some sort of weird thing here that I don't think you'd eat. Ready? Here goes.
And what does it taste like? Did you not eat any of it? Did you eat it all? Oh my god.
There was like legs or something in that one. Stay tuned for next time when we visit Vietnam. If you like what you see, click the subscribe button and hit the bell.